Episode 10. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to our channel and checking it every 2 weeks to see me. Thank you, thank you, and thank you. Let's head on into the activity, shall we? Sri Emas, what would the world be without the way of handling economy? Teacher Chandrika's class experience gives off the vibe of being in the World Economy Summit, sending delegates to be advisors of a particular country to solve their current economic issues. You'll be amazed on the advice given by our kids. Dwi Emas, to win at all costs or to win with taking others in consideration. An activity was done to instill the right entrepreneurial mindset into our primary kids' mind by folding origami to get points. The players get to choose whether to double up their points or to get original points. The catch to double up the points is the rest of the teammates will have their points deducted. The two who obtain the highest point would receive a prize. Teacher CJ wants to show the kids why life is hard without mindful behaviors. And even if it is hard to be mindful, but it is necessary. That marks the end of our WhatsApp series. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it now for lots of fun and exciting content. See you when I see ya. Bye guys.